Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Lensa app to retouch your photos or to enhance them for free. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Lensa app. And right from that screen you are able to add your photo to Lensa app to be able to improve it. All you have to do is hit right here at that plus sign, and then you can select any of your photos. Let it be that one, and once you have selected a photo you can just hit on add to add this photo to Lensa app. So once you have added the photo you have to wait for some time, and right now you can improve that photo. Let me scale it for a bit. There at the very top you can see magic retouch. You can simply by tapping at any of that styles in that simple way change how that photo looks like. You can enhance skin tone, you can make your teeth whiter, or you can make your eyes bigger in that simple way just by tapping on that presets in that simple way. So you can just make one touch and basically this picture is ready now to be saved. So you can hit right here at save to save the result. But if you want, you can customize this picture in the simple way. You can just scroll down for a bit, and let's say you want to blur background or you want to make it less blurred. So you can drag it to the left or to the right to decrease or increase background blur. Let me scale it, and you will see how background looks like and how it changes when I change the position of that slider. After that I can scroll down and I can change face retouch in the simple way. It removes any face defects and it makes skin more smooth. Now you can scroll down and you can use deep retouch in the simple way. You can drag it right or left. To be honest, I don't see the effect of this feature. Maybe it will work on another picture. Then you can try to use neck retouch. There are no actually a neck shown here, but you can drag it left or right to see the effect. Also, you can remove eye bags. The original photo looks like that, and you can drag it to the right to remove it. Actually, you can right now see the effect. Let me zoom one single eye and see what happened. That's the original photo, and that's the effect of eye bags remover. So now let's move on to the next feature. There you can control eyelashes in that simple way, eye contrast, teeth whitening. As you can see, the original teeth color is looks like that, so you can drag it to the right to apply teeth whitening effect to your picture. See how it amazing looks like now. After that you can slide eyebrows to make it more colorful. Also you can make lips brighter in that simple way. Also you can add face contouring effect. I like it because it makes some accent on that face. See what happened. Then you can also use lens correction effect. Lens basically means the lens of your camera. On some pictures I got good result. On that picture I to be honest, don't see the exact result of this feature. And then I can also make eyes bigger using that slider in that simple way. As you can see, when this slider is at the very right position, the eye becomes really bigger for a bit, and that makes a picture more beautiful. Also, you can move on to the next step and use smaller nose feature. In that way, it really makes nose a little bit smaller. Also, you can make smaller cheeks. See what happened. Then you can plump lips. And on the next position you can add some vibrance or some shadows. You can increase the intensity of shadows, or you can decrease it in that simple way. You can add highlights, or you can change skin tone in that simple way. And there are another pretty feature that I like to use when I'm editing the pictures and the photos, especially it's hair color. Now you can change the hair color of your pictures in that simple way. You can just tap at any of these presets hair colors and see how amazing it changed the color of hairs in that simple way. Let it be green one. No, I left it that color. And also you can change the intensity of that effect that is applying to original color of hairs. Then you can also go through all of that effects. You can hit at backdrop, and from here you can select default. Then you can hit on deep and see what happens. The background change really hard, so you can hit at motion to make it like in motion, but that's not for that picture. Or you can select that one. I like deep the most. Also you can change blur of the background. Here again you can change focus size. You can add some bokeh effect in that simple way. So really cool feature. And also you can change the intensity of that effect. Let it be like that. And also you can change the color: green, yellow, green, blue, or purple. I left it white. Then you can change the background. If you like it, you can select any of them, like that one or that one, but I'll keep the original, so I'll hit at that X icon to remove any changes. Also, right here you can add and improve sky if there are some sky at the picture, but I got no sky, so I can skip that step. Then I can tap at adjust, and right here I can just tap at auto adjust and check the result. So actually I don't see any result, any changes in here. So let me test other features. I can hit at foreground and at background. So at foreground I can increase exposure in that way if I want. I can increase or decrease contrast. So I wouldn't change these features because I don't like the result. Also I can change saturation, vibrance, sharpen, fade, color, temperature and tint, highlights, shadows, and a lot of other features, and the same I can do with the background. On general I can control auto white balance in that way. I can make it colder or warmer. Also I can change the exposure, contrast, saturation, vibrance, and blah 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 blah, all other stuff. After that I can hit on effects, and from here I can add some effect to that picture. Let it be glisten effect or NY party. I like that one. Also, all the effects have different tabs, so you can hit at that 4 tabs to change to set different effects for that picture. I like that one and that one. And in the same way, you can select any effects like snowflakes or interfaces, blurred, bloom, and a bunch of other effects. There is one cool effect here, but I almost forgot the name. Yeah, that one. And also after that, so let me set that effect. I liked it the most. After that, you can get into art styles, and you can try to use any of that styles. You can try to use Gothic style. Sometimes it takes a lot of time to apply the effect to the picture. And then you can try to use another one. There are a lot of other different styles. Also, there are some effects like cartoon, retro, vanilla, black and white, salty, and a lot of others. Then you can hit right here at filters. You can tap at suggest filter, and now AI creates a suggested list of filters just for you, and then you can in that simple way set any filter to your image. I don't like this effect and I'll remove it. You can remove any filters by moving on one step back or on one step forward. So let me remove that effect. I like that quality of that picture. Also, when you finished with the filters, you can also hit right here at grain and add some grain here, but I don't really like that effect. And also you can hit add borders to add some to your picture. You can crop your picture to square or to 4 by 5, 5 by 4, 9 by 16, and another sizes. And also you can change the color of that borders. You can, for example, select red color or gray or pink or another colors. And then you can select the size of that border around your picture. I don't like the borders, I don't use them, so I can hit right here at original to go to original photo without any frames. I can reduce size to 0, and now I almost like this picture. It's really cool. I can now hit on save to save it to my camera roll. Now I can go to my photos, and now you can check the result. That's the result, and let me show you the original picture. Here it is. So that's original picture. And that's the result. I did this picture in 2 minutes. Actually, it took me quite longer time, but that's because I'm explaining you how to work with Lensa app. So you can easily create those images at your device using Lensa app. And now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Also, I recommend you to check out my Lensa tutorials playlist, where you will find another useful tutorials. Just check the link in description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and I see you in the next one.